Welcome back to our channel. We're going to get some of the oil palm and put some fertilizer on it and get what does to be done. Let's go. So basically we just gathered this. This fruit is from previous harvest. Then some of them fall apart and we still can collect this. Try to filter it, not get the dry leaf with it. There's some unnecessary thing. Okay. Try to get rid of it like that. And then just kind of get it clean a little bit, and we just want this. Those you still can collect this. Okay, this is what we're doing today. My dad is fertilized over there. I'm here. My wife is over there. So this is our job for today. And then we call this fungus, and then you can collect it like this. Just kind of scoop it out like this. You still can filter it later on. Like that. Yeah, something like that. Doesn't need to be so clean. Then just put it in the bag, just like that. Okay, here we are. We are resting, sitting down, resting. What we have for lunch. Okay. Jack and Jill magic cream.
Chocolate cream.
Chocolato Zatos, and we have
100 plus.
100 plus and water. That's all. I'm gonna show you how we're pruning the palm tree later on. First, I need to catch my breath because I'm running out of my energy. All right. Terribly sorry about the shaking because I'm zooming it. Okay. Right, it's going to fall. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. All right. Good job. Thumbs up. Don't forget to
Like, subscribe.
okay. Clearing the tree so that the palm tree will not causing damage to the side. Times to go back.
Go back.
Now it's around 3:40 p.m.
Pukul 3 lebih guys. Kita sudah kerja.
Since morning till afternoon, we continue our walk. Haven't got a lunch yet, but I did. Only I did because my wife cooked some vermicelli.
Makan biskut saja guys. Ya, kita mau pergi cari sayur untuk lauk nanti.
Yeah.
Lagi. Jalan sini sudah kering. Kalau hujan-hujan, tidak dapat naik nih guys.
Now we are at our vegetable wild vegetable place that plant. I mean, they grow naturally. Yeah, fern leaf and the tapioca leaf. Tapioca leaf is one of my favorite vegetable because it is our local delicacy also. As you can see here, I can zoom it. Yes, that is the tapioca leaf. My wife is making the way for her to go through there. One. Sorry. Yeah. Here, I got one here.
Harus tebang-tebang nih guys. Jangan sembuh.
Okay. Where is it? We found it. It's kind of fun. Gonna look for it. Right. One here. Here we go. Hey, this type is what now? What is this?
Berapa lang yan po?
There's two different.
Pukuhit lang ito.
This one, buraga.
Ini pukuhit.
Oh yeah, this one is I know what. It's a fern leaf, but they call it sand fern leaf.
Yeah.
Pakohit because we call it pakohit.
Lihat lo parang. Pukuhit.
Where is it? Oh yeah. Yes, I got it. Right here.
Ito burato.
Oh yeah, oh my god, my eyes. What happened to my eyes? Guys, cannot see it. Oh yes. Nice. Oh yeah, some more inside here. Kind of small, but that's okay. Just came back from our walk. Now it's around 5:43, and we are going to barbecue some chicken wing. As you can see, really raining, heavily rain. It's kind of cool, you know. So I'm here in our little barbecue pit. Yeah, so barbecue here. Then my wife coming I better get her with this umbrella.
Hey,
Hi.
look, look.
Alright. Now we're going to camp here. It's really fun when it's raining, heavy rain. Those are marinated chicken wing. And what do you have here?
Biscuit.
Yeah, biscuit.
Rendang.
Tea and biscuit, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.